Welcome to my channel. My name is Precious Amadi. Today we are going to unbox a gift that was given to me by a friend and a sister. Let's go. You see the gift. It's a wonderful gift. I really thank God for her. And I say, may the good Lord bless her in Jesus' name. Wow, 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 wow. Like many things in time. We will learn how to fix it. We are going to fix it now. This is the bag. I need to hang it somewhere. Over to this. You need to put this. Wow. It's going to be great today. It's really going to be great today, you see? God will bless her. I'm going to fix it. Look at it. Wow. I have to bring this out. So, I finished starting. It was not easy, but I thank God. I'm really happy. Hey, God will bless the person that gave me this. I'm really grateful. Now, anytime I want to go, like very easy, you can see, when I put our phone, okay? Anyhow you want it, any style you want it, we go. Thank you, and God will bless her. Thank you for watching me in Jesus' name. You can see. See what is happening here? You see? You see what is happening here? Any color of my choice, I'm really happy. I just tested it for the first time because it's a new thing. See this color now? Any color you like. This is blue color. Can you see the blue color? Now, this is red color. You see the red color? Now, you see the green color. Any color of my choice now. I really thank God for the source. May the good Lord bless her. You see this one? Going back to white. May the good Lord bless her and bless her family in Jesus. I'm really happy. In fact, I don't know, from the depth of my heart, in fact, I can enjoy. I can enjoy already. Thank you. I say, may the good Lord bless her in Jesus' name. More open door. More open door from heaven in Jesus' mighty name. Thank you. Bye.